probably wondering where we're at. We are in our downstairs. And this is going to become the temporary bedroom of my teenage son, because we have 5 children and they are currently sharing 2 bedrooms. He has his own bedroom and the other 4 are in another bedroom, which is not working. We are working on a solution for that, and the downstairs is actually going to become my master bedroom. However, until I can get all of that switched, to start working on the bedrooms, I'm moving him down here so that I can start working on his bedroom and move my oldest daughter into that room, which then by default starts a domino effect of bedrooms being able to be switched. But until we can start that, we have to clean up down here, because this has been the library slash playroom slash, it was going to become the homeschool room. And it's been kind of a living room of sorts as well. So it's kind of a catch-all, which it has caught everything. So we are busy cleaning up down here. I also have to empty out a hutch because I'm going to be listing that. As much as I love it, I have backed away from mid-century modern, so I don't actually need it. We are going to continue to clean up down here, and then we are going to move my son down here. So you can follow our journey so that I can start working on that bedroom, and that's going to be another fun project. This one's not as fun, but maybe you'll enjoy watching us clean and organize, and hopefully downsize a little bit. You can only see some of my books back here. I have quite a bit more behind you that you cannot see, but one day I shall do a library reveal for you guys when I have the bookshelf all the way up to the ceiling, which is what I'm planning. I've got an idea for a little bit of a Bell's library down here, since I have about 15-foot ceilings. Maybe not 15 foot, maybe it's 12 foot, but they're pretty high.
You'll need that one of those like things that you like move the stairs.
Yeah, you'll need a ladder.
Mm-hmm.
I know.
Also, organized videos are very fun for me to watch. It's like cool.
But we have a ladder.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can.
It's always make a mess before you actually clean the mess. So I just made a bigger mess by taking everything out of that thing, but we're gonna have to figure it out because we have to get rid of things to get this all under control.
Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go.
It is easy to get overwhelmed in a space this size, especially when there are so many things that don't actually have a home. So, like as of right now, the toys will be going in the individual bedrooms with the kids that they belong in. But right now, they don't have those bedrooms, so I have to try to play, I don't even know what the game is. You play that game of shoving everything into one place so that you can try to get things out of another place so that you can put things away where they belong. That, I think, is what happens when you have outgrown a house. This size of a house was not meant for a family of 7, but we are going to do what we can with what we have. It's my whole philosophy. So in any case, I'm planning on making this general area right here his bedroom space, so I need to clear this whole area so that I can bring his bedroom down and basically plop it right there. So let's get back to work.
The darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Will open up
I'm not even gonna try to make it look pretty down here because it's gonna be a disaster area. Anyway, we have his dresser to get down here, and then I think his bedroom will be completely empty, and then we can look at it completely empty and prepare for what's coming next. So let's go and do that.
Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they...
Well, there you have it. It is completely clear. Well, no, not completely. There's still a sewing machine right down there. We're still not really sure what we're gonna do with it because it doesn't work very well. So it may just end up getting donated, which is a shame because he does really like doing sewing projects. It's just we have not had great luck with the inexpensive brother machines. So let's do a tiny little tour here. Here is the closet, completely empty. The wire shelving on the wall is actually going to go in his office when we put the boys into our master bed, what is now our master bedroom. That's going to go in there. But for right now, since that area is not done, I'm not going to bother taking this down because that would just mean extra stuff floating around. So what has to happen in this bedroom? All new trim. I have to tear out all of the trim in this bedroom. I'm going to tear out all of the flooring. So the carpet's leaving here. We have had a cat that has been using the bathroom in here unbeknownst to us. I was just laying down in the carpet and discovered that in his closet it smells like cat pee. So we're not even gonna bother with it. I'm just going to rip all of the carpet out of this room, one room at a time. I'm actually gonna do it all the carpet, period. And then what I'm actually going to do is I'm gonna prime the flooring and I'm gonna paint it with floor paint until we have the money to install hardwood in all of the bedrooms. So brand new trim, the flooring is gonna get a upgrade / downgrade, depending on how you look at it. And then this wall over here is going to get a wall treatment. This had to be cut in two to fix our bathroom shower. So that has to be strategically fixed and turned into like a door of some sort so that there is access continually for what is behind there, which is all of the stuff pertaining to the bathroom next to it. Because you cannot fix the shower without getting into the wall. So this is gonna have a wall treatment. I have not decided officially what is going to be up there. Maybe a faux brick or maybe wainscoting. There's lots of options and I love all of them, to be honest. I've done shiplap already in the wall. It's super easy, so it would be really easy to do that. Even like, let's see, beadboard. Beadboard is another option. But really, I don't think I would want to do beadboard up the entire wall. I would only want to do it on portions. So I'm not really sure about that considering this situation right here. So, not really sure. And then in the closet, we're gonna need new closet doors of some sort. Not really sure what we're gonna do in this situation. I may build some doors. That might be an option because just two swinging doors would be really nice. You could just have two doors that swing out. That would be a lot preferable to those bifold folding doors. But yeah. And then paint. I have to finish painting in here. The ceiling did not get finished. I did not ever finish painting around the, I don't know if you can see around the fan. There is still some dark. This had originally dark gray paint. And obviously the trim around the windows, trim around that, trim around the door, trim everywhere. It's gonna be the same trim that I did in my dining room and my hallway, so nothing new. It's just, it'll be exciting to get it in an actual bedroom because we haven't had it in the bedrooms before. What do you have? Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching all the way through if you've made it this far. Don't forget to like the video if this content is something that you're interested in. I wish I could have done a video that was more helpful, but this is what's going on in my life currently, and so I feel like there are probably more people out there than just us that are dealing with a house that is too small for their family. And so it's like creative thinking and creative problem solving, how we can get all of our kids to be in proper spacing amounts so that they are not overwhelmed in a tiny little space with a bunch of them having to share a single bed. Even if it's a larger bed, it's still not ideal. And my youngest son, who is 7, is built like a rock, and he kicks, and he kicks hard. So nobody wants to share a bed with him. So he's getting his own bed. And my daughter is almost a teenager. She's 11, so she's getting up there, and she needs her own personal space. So it's just time for us to switch things around. And I feel like most families get to that point at somewhere along the road. So we're not the only ones. We're having to make big adjustments and changes to fit into this small house with a family size that we have. But if this kind of content interests you, I am so happy to have been able to share it with you. If it's not, be on the lookout for other types of content coming up. I am in the middle of another furniture restoration project, as well as more thrifting adventures coming up soon, and some Halloween craft projects, which I am super excited about. And don't forget to check out my blog, capturingwonderland.com, if you are interested in some pumpkin and fall recipes coming up, because I'm diving into that and I'm super excited about it. I love to cook. I love to bake, most especially. I love all of the seasonal goodies. So more great content on the way. Can't wait to share the adventures with you guys here on this channel and on my blog also. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, you totally should. I am at capturing_wonderland with Instagram, and I share more stuff on there. And so that's all I've got for you today, guys. I will see you later. More great content coming on Monday. Thanks again. Bye.
The wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to